This is Nubia Neo 2, and today I will share a bunch of useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So let's begin by exploring what available camera modes this device has to offer. So we'll go into the more section of modes and begin with Pro mode, which allows you to manually adjust the most important camera properties such as the exposure value, shutter speed, focus, ISO, white balance, and contrast and saturation here. So if you would like to gain more manual control over the pictures that you are creating, or you are not satisfied with how camera automatically treats those properties, or perhaps you just want to get some particular result out of your camera which will not be possible with those properties being automatically adjusted, Pro mode is definitely a way to go here. So I highly recommend that you try it out. Let me return all values to automatic. Yep. Then in the more section of modes, you can also find the 50 megapixels high resolution photo mode. And without further ado, let me capture a picture in the regular photo mode. And then I will also take an identical photo using the 50 megapixels mode to directly compare them and see how better or how different they actually are. So let's begin by looking at the regular capture mode or regular photo mode with, I don't know, maybe 12 megapixels taken. For some reason it does not allow me to open the gallery properly. To be honest with you guys, this phone is a nightmare in terms of bugs. I've been using it for like maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes at most, and I've already encountered so many glitches and so many bugs, but well, no problem, I guess. Anyway, so this is the regular picture. You can see the level of details that it has, and well, the level of details is pretty decent. We can see all this girth, all this dirt and debris that the plastic has on it. If we'll go into the photo details, we can also see that, so it's not even 12, it's 6 megapixels, and it's 2500 by 2500 photo. But when it comes to the high-res mode, if I will zoom in, you can see that I can zoom in way further, and the level of details it retains is also obviously way higher, since the photo is bigger pretty much in terms of definition, resolution, and so on. And how much bigger exactly, you can see that it's 50 megapixels, and instead of 2500 by 2500, this one is 6100 by 8100, or almost 8200 for that matter. And well, yeah, so the verdict here is that the 50 megapixels pixel mode is really worth it. However, this word is pronounced properly. Worth it. Yeah. If you do not mind sacrificing storage space, since those 50 megapixel high resolution photos occupy way more storage. When it comes to the available modes, I think I've showed everything that I wanted to. Yep, so now let me give you a quick tip on how to quickly change or adjust the photo exposure. Simply tap anywhere at the viewfinder, wait for a bit. Well, let me once again do that properly. So tap anywhere, wait for a second or so, and then you can drag the sun icon to the bottom if you would like to make your shot dimmer, or if you would like to make it more bright or brighter, just move it all the way to the top. Now, if we'll go into the camera settings here, or actually before I go, you could have missed this HDR icon that once enabled provides you with, takes your pictures in HDR pretty much. Then if you'll go into settings, you can switch on, in my opinion, very useful shooting method, that is touch in photograph. And once enabled, you just touch anywhere at the viewfinder and the picture will be taken here. Yep, so as you can see, the photo gets captured. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.